Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove green screen. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To remove a green screen, also known as chroma key in Capcut, you just have to follow these simple steps. Open your Capcut on your PC, and of course, if you haven't already, click on the new project to begin your work. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it to begin editing. And then, I want you to import the videos to the timeline which has the green screen, or drag your video here. If you don't have any green screen, all you have to do is go to the media. Under library, there are like so many green screen. If you type in green screen right here, you can choose from any of the following if you don't have your own. Okay, so for example, we're going to be choosing something like maybe fire, or maybe this dinosaur. Let's drag this all the way here in our timeline. You see that the dinosaur has been added. And I wanted to put it maybe just around here. Okay, so let's do that. Now I'm going to zoom out the timeline because I wanted to cut the video so that they are synchronous in one length. It has an extended part. So here I want you to go to the video and go to the basic. You see that there is like 4 tabs here: basic, remove BG or background, mask, and retouch. Of course, we are going to click the remove background. You would notice we have the auto removal, which is only available for pro subscribers. If you don't have that, don't worry, because you also have an option for the custom removal. If you want to apply removing the background, you can also do that right here. Or you simply just click the chroma key. You would notice when you click the chroma key, it says pick the color that adjusts its intensity. I want you to click this color right here, this color picker. When you hover your mouse to the video, make sure that the video is selected. You see, the green screen will be automatically removed once you click this color picker and point that cursor or active mouse drag to select color. What will happen is it would remove the green screen without any problem. It's a very easy thing to use. What will happen is you want to make sure to readjust the position of the dinosaur right here, maybe just around here, so you can include another overlay element here. So for example, we're going to add one more image right here. For example, this guy. You want to make sure you don't put them below the timeline. All right, on top of the timeline, and then add this in. Same procedure, just click the chroma key right here and it will do the job. Select the color picker. It's amazing, right? So just resize the element so they can go smoothly, and move your playhead from the very beginning. Try to click on play to see if we have successfully removed the green screen in PC. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can click the export button to save it to different file formats. We will see you in the next video.